Are you wondering which tool is better for app development? Today, we're diving into Android Studio versus Flutter. Both of these tools help developers create apps, but they do it in different ways. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android app development. It's powerful and packed with features. Flutter, on the other hand, is a UI toolkit that lets you build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. Let's start with Android Studio. It offers a complete environment for building Android apps. You get code editing, debugging, and testing tools all in one place. It uses Java and Kotlin, which are popular programming languages for Android. It's great for developers who want deep integration with Android features. Now, let's look at Flutter. This toolkit uses Dart as its programming language. Flutter allows you to create beautiful UIs with ease. It's known for its fast development cycle and hot reload feature, which lets you see changes instantly. This is perfect for developers who want to experiment with designs quickly. So, what are the main differences? Android Studio is specific to Android, while Flutter is cross platform. This means you can use Flutter to build apps for both Android and iOS. Android Studio has more built in tools for Android specific tasks, but Flutter is more flexible. When it comes to features, Android Studio excels in debugging and testing. Flutter shines with its rich set of widgets and customizable UIs. Both have strong communities and plenty of resources. In terms of pricing, both tools are free to use. However, consider the costs of any additional services or packages you might need. In conclusion, if you want to focus solely on Android apps, Android Studio is a solid choice. But if you are looking to create apps for multiple platforms, Flutter is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.